Okay, fine. So we had done up to question number 7 in the last class. Now we'll be doing question number 8. Okay. Now what is given over here? A chord CD of a circle whose center is O is bisected at P by a diameter AB. Means it is bisected. That means it will be it will be perpendicular. Yes or no? It is bisected. That means it will be perpendicular. They have given OA equals OB equals 15. That means the radius is 15 and OP is 9. Okay, this is 9. So if this is 9, the total is 15. So this will be how much? 15 minus 9, that is 6. This will be 6. Calculate the length of CD. You need to find what is CD. So how you'll find? It's very easy. You just have to draw a right angle over here. Okay. So if this is 9, this is 15. So what will be this? CP will be how much?
225 minus 81.
Yeah, then what will be the length of CD?
144. So 12 centimeter.
So it will be 12. So the value of CD will be how much?
12.
CD.
24.
Yeah. And
12 का double 24.
double. Yeah. After that, they are asking to find AD.
Sir, for that 24 का statement will reason will write that na perpendicular
Yeah,
bisects chord.
perpendicular bisect. Yeah. The perpendicular to the chord bisects the chord. That's why it is 24. Now the next thing they are asking is AD. So what will be the AD? Again, this will be 12. This is 15 plus 9. That is 24. So using Pythagoras, you'll get AD also. After that, they are asking CB also. The CB also can also be found using the Pythagoras only. You just have to join these two. You know both the lengths. This is 12, this is 6. Use Pythagoras and find the answer. Easy? Yeah, we'll take the next
Yes.
question. Just a moment. Let me open the textbook. Okay. Now what do you have? The given figure given below show a circle with center in which diameter AB bisects the chord CD at point E. CE is this much, ED is this much. You have to find what is the radius. Can you find what is the radius? Please try it on your own. It's a very easy question. The figure shown given below shows a circle with center O in which diameter AB bisects the chord CD at E, and if CE is equals to ED, this both are 8. That means this is 8, this is 8. And EB is 4. You have to find what? The radius of the circle. Fine. If I join this two, I'll get BD. Yeah. BD is easy to find. We can write over here. We can write that is BD square will be equal to EB square,
Yes, sir. Understood.
ED square. How you will find the radius?
Sir, after we'll get that what BD, then if we join OD, then that will form a triangle. So then
Yeah.
we can find that side also.
Yeah, but that side how you will find? There are two unknowns.
How, sir?
So
How there are two? हाँ, right angle नहीं है बराबर.
right angle it is. It is still a right angle. If I
No,
draw
see,
O,
no, sir. Sir, ED will be equal to 4, no.
ED will be equal to 8 only. ED is 8 only.
ED is equal to 8 and OE we will get.
How you will get?
OE will not get.
How you'll get? You don't have OD as well as OE. How you'll get?
Correct, sir. Understood.
What understood? Tell me how you will find.
Understood that I don't know. Like that.
Okay, fine. So BD will be equal to EB is 4, ED is 8 square. 16 plus 64. That is 16 plus 64 is 80. So BD square is 80. So the value of BD will be how much?
Square root 80.
Yeah, just a moment. BD will be, we'll get BD, but what will be the use of BD to find the radius?
That only, sir.
Yeah, yeah, we'll get it easily. Actually, we know we don't need BD. We'll have to do the other step. If I say this length is x and this will be how much? 4 plus x? Yes or no?
Yes.
Because OB
How,
will
sir?
be OB will be 4 plus x, no? And that will be the radius. And if this is 4 plus x, this will also be 4 plus x. Got it? How many of you have got
Yes,
understood?
sir.
And then you use the Pythagoras and get the answer. And get what? The radius. Please solve and tell me what will be the radius. You can
Sir,
so
but we got it as 4 plus x. Then we will do, means
Pythagoras
ODE का.
OED.
OED, हाँ,
Yeah.
उसका.
Arushi, your answer is not right. I need the radius. Find the radius of the
हाँ,
circle.
sir. That should be the radius only. No, no.
4 plus x.
Correct.
Correct. Yeah, correct. Okay. Fine. Clear? Everyone got the answer? Shlok, did you get the answer?
Sir, 1 second, sir. आ गया almost. I
Okay.
started solving it
No?
late, इसीलिए.
Fine. Okay. Fine. I'll teach to Shlok by the time. See, we can say that OD square is equals to OE square
Sir, can I
plus
teach?
I'm solving it. No, wait. DE square. You can write your answer in the chat box. Okay. And OD is what? 4 plus x?
Sir, is my answer correct?
Yeah, correct. After that OE, x square plus and then DE is what? 8. 8 square. So what you can do? A plus B whole square, that is 16 plus 8x plus x square is equals to x square plus 64. This x square will get cancelled. 8x will be equal to 64 minus 16 and 8x will be equal to 14 minus 6, that is 4 and 2 gone 8. 5 minus 1 4, 48. 6 8s are 48, right? The value of x is 6 but the radius is 4 plus x, so radius will be what? 4 plus 6, that is 10. Got it? Yeah. Okay, now the next
Yes.
question. The next, what is given? See over here in the given question. In the given, O is the center of the circle and AB and CD are two chords of circle and OM is perpendicular to AB and ON is perpendicular to CD. Fine. AB is 24. See, this both are perpendicular, they said, right?
12. 12.
Please do not shout. AB is 24,
Sorry.
so this
Sir,
is
mute
12.
him.
Yeah,
Remove him.
I can't remove him.
Shubhang is getting violent, sir.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. And OM is how much? 5. ON is how much? 12. Find the radius of the circle. How you will find the radius of the circle? You can join this once using Pythagoras. This will be 13.
Sir, 13.
Yeah. Okay. And now the voice was okay because it didn't hurt our ears. Radius of the circle is 13 and length of the chord CD. So how you'll find? It's easy. Again, you will join this. This is 12. The radius is 13, so this will be 5 and the
5.
CD will be 10.
10.
Clear?
Yes, sir. Sir,
Yeah.
this didn't even need to be solved.
Yeah, yeah. But you have to solve
But
Or
when it
sir, we
else.
comes
have
in
to
the
write reasons
yeah,
and
yeah,
all.
yeah, yeah, yeah. You have to write reasons. Yeah. I've already means showed you how to write the reasons in one sum. I'll not be showing it for every question. Okay. Fine. Now we'll go to the next ex questions exercise.
Sir, only 10 sums are there in this exercise.
Yeah, only 10 sums are there in this
Sir,
exercise.
but till now only one property was used.
Yeah, there are even more exercises. No? This is the next exercise which you have. Okay. Now what is given? The figure shows two concentric circles and AD is a chord of the larger circle. Okay. Prove that AB is equals to CD. How we can prove?
Sir, they are concentric circles, na? So there is a theorem, na, telling us concentric circles ka it is same.
What?
Sir, we can join the line now.
Yeah, what you can do is,
O2
yeah,
something and name the point.
if I draw a perpendicular bisector over here, okay, and if I join this line, okay, now to prove will be if I also join this line, what I need to prove that is AB is equals to CD. Yeah. Also, I will join on this side also. Yeah. Actually, the other side is not required. One side is also sufficient. I know that what no, to prove is what AB is equals to CD, right? So let's write the proof. The proof is draw. There is some construction. Draw OE perpendicular to AD. Okay, I have drawn this OE perpendicular to AD, right? Now what we know that is AE is equals to CD. Why? Perpendicular to the chord bisects the chord. You can write a
Yes.
reason over here. Perpendicular to chord bisects the chord. This is what your one reason. Okay. Also, I know that BE is equals to EC. The same reason. Perpendicular to the chord bisects the chord. If this is my 1 and this is my 2. Okay. Wait, not BC. It will be BE. You can write over here. BE is equals to EC. Fine. Subtracting 1 and 2. Subtracting 1 and 2. What you get? AE minus BE is equals to CD minus EC. So AE minus BE will be how much? AB, and CD minus EC will be how much? Wait, not CD. It will be ED. AE is equals to ED, not CD. Is equal to ED. Yeah. And then ED minus EC will be how much? ED minus EC will be CD. Understood? Therefore, these two lengths will be equal.
Equal.
Okay, Arjun, no problem. Fine. The next question. Now, what they have given. See to it properly what they have given. A straight line is drawn. A straight line is drawn cutting two equal circles. These two circles are equal. Then that means what? The two circles are equal means what? Yeah, Shlok, can you please tell? Two equal circles means what? Ashutosh, a straight line is drawn cutting two equal circles, they said. Means what? Shubhangi?
Sir, 1 second. Sir, what are you
Means
asking?
all
I
their
did not get it.
radius, diameter, everything will be same.
Yeah, that's it. It's a very simple question.
So
Acha,
that only
so
sir you were
both
asking.
Yeah,
the circles are congruent.
yeah. The two circles will have same radius. That's it.
Acha,
Equal circles means what? The two circles will have same radius. Okay, the radius of both the circles are equal, and now what
equal.
they have said, a straight line is drawn cutting two equal circles. This line is drawn cutting two equal circles and passing through the midpoint M of the line joining their centers O and O dash. Okay, prove that the chord AB and CD, which are intercepted by the two circles, are equal. Now, what you have to prove in this? To prove is AB is equals to CD. That's what you need to prove. Okay. So now to prove it, we'll have to do some construction in it. The construction will be draw O A B C D OE perpendicular to AB and O dash F perpendicular to CD. That's what we need to draw in it.
Sir, what is F?
It is supposed to be done as a construction. Got it? We need to prove that AB is equals to CD. Okay? They have given. Now let's prove. Write the proof. Okay? In triangle OEM and triangle O dash FM. Okay? In these two triangles. Okay? In triangle OEM and O dash FM. So what all things you have? Over here, I know that OM is equals to MO dash Y, since M is the midpoint which is given. It was given, right? Midpoint M. M is the midpoint of the line joining O and O dash. Right? This was given. Next, angle OME. Fine. So what we was doing, that in triangle OEM and triangle O dash FM, what we have, OM is equals to M O dash M. Why? Because it was given. Right? M is the midpoint. After that, angle OME. OME is equal to angle O dash MF. Why? What is the reason? They are vertically opposite angles. Right? This is what we know. After that, one more thing we know. That is equal. What is that? One more thing in this two triangle. What is that which is equal?
What, sir?
Now in this two triangle, the two triangles will be congruent when the three things will be equal, no? So which is the third
Huh.
thing?
Sir,
That angle OEM is equal to angle O dash FM. What is the reason?
huh. Sir, opposite angle.
Each 90 degree. They are perpendiculars,
Huh?
no? Angle OEM, this
Wow.
angle and this
Okay.
angle are 90 degree, no? Right? So this angle, and this side. So AAS.
Sir, can't it be alternate angles?
No, it can't be alternate. We do not know that OE and O dash F are parallel.
Acha.
If they are
Okay.
parallel only, then we can say. Okay. Therefore, what we can say, therefore, triangle OEM is congruent to triangle O dash FM by AAS test of congruency.
Okay. Sir, what have you written? VOS, VOA.
Where VOA? Vertically opposite angles.
Acha. Okay.
Yeah. So by AAS test of congruency, we can say that the two triangles are congruent. Therefore, OE will be equal to O dash E. Yes or no? By CPCT. I can say this by CPCT. Now, if these two chords are at equal distance from the center and the two circles are also equal, therefore the chords will also be equal. Because equal chords
Sir,
are
I
at
think
equal.
it is O dash F.
What O dash F? Yeah, O dash
O
F,
dash
sir.
F.
Yeah, yeah, it will be O dash F. It will be O dash F, right? Okay. So, what I can say now? Therefore, AB is equals to CD. Why? What is the reason? Chords at equal distance from the center. Chords at equal distance from the center are equal. Got it? This is the reason of this. Chords at equal distance from the center are equal. Means these two chords are at equal distance from the center, no? Therefore, the two chords will be equal. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. What is given in the question? In the following figure, P and Q are what? Are the points of intersection of two circles with center O and O dash. If the straight line APB and CQD are parallel, they have said that APB and CQD are parallel to OO dash. Prove that OO dash will be equal to half of AB. We have to prove that this length will be half of AB. And also we need to prove that AB is equals to CD. Now how we can prove this?
Sir, by looking we can assume na AB is equal to CD
No,
because both are of same length.
you cannot do the assumptions. We cannot say that
अच्छा.
they are equal because I see that they both are equal. I can see that they are equal. Because of my eyes, you cannot say that reasons. It
Okay.
looks like. Okay? You need to give the proof of this. So how we can give the proof? To write the proof of this, what I will do,
Sir, we
I
can bisect.
what? Bisect means what?
Sir, we can draw a line through O. So, nahi, nahi, nothing, sir.
Nothing. Okay. See with whatever I am doing.
So now, sir, opposite sides are equal because rectangle.
But who said it's a rectangle?
Sir, 90, 90, 90, 90. So rectangle, no?
But who said it's a rectangle? No, we don't have to draw it. We have to draw this.
This only I was telling.
Okay, okay. Okay. We need to draw these lines. Now why these lines? Because see what we have to say that draw A B C D E, let's say O E O F G H, that's it, and this is H and then this is J, this point. Okay, what you can write, draw O E O F O dash G and O dash H perpendicular to perpendicular to AP CQ PB and QD respectively. Fine, we can write this statement to draw this. Now after this, what I know, since they are drawn perpendicular, so wait, just a moment. Yeah, what I can say, that is, if OE is drawn perpendicular, what I know, that is EP is equals to AE. EP is equals to
Yes.
AE. Yeah, I can also say CF is equals to FQ. I can also say PG is equals to GB. I can also say GQH is equals to HD. What is the reason for all of them? Perpendicular drawn to the chord bisects the chord. Perpendicular drawn to the chord from center bisects the chord. Yes or no? It bisects the chord. Fine. This all distances are equal. I also know that EP is equals to OJ also, and PG is equals to JO dash. Yeah, OJ, because this is right angle, no? Yeah, yeah. So therefore, what I can say, OJ is equals to, I will take this diagram over there. Yeah, what I can say, OJ is equals to EP. Yeah, also equals to FQ. But all of them is equals to half of AP. Yes or no? Are you getting it?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, this
Yes,
all are
sir.
equals to half of AP. Yeah,
AP.
what do you need to prove? O dash equals half of AB. No, we can prove it. Also, I can say that is PG is equals to JO dash is equals to QH is equals to half of PB. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah. I can also say that is O. What do you need? Yeah, I can also say OJ equals half of AP, and JO dash equals half of PB. If I say this is 1 and this
Yes.
is 2, if I adding 1 and 2, 1 and 2, what I get? OJ plus JO dash
Sir,
equals
but
half
how
of
OJ is equal to half AP?
OJ equals half of AP because EP is equals to AE,
Ah,
you know?
okay,
Yeah.
fine.
Now OJ plus JO dash equals half of AP plus PB. So OJ plus JO dash will be how much? OO dash is equals to half of AB. That's it. The first one is proved. Got it? This distance is half of this whole. Clear? Yes
Yes,
or
sir.
no? Yeah. Now what else you have to prove? AB is equals to CD. The same way. OO dash is also half of CD. You can prove it. And OO dash is half of AB and OO dash is also half of CD. So you can prove that the two distances are equal. That is AB is equals to CD. Got it?
Hmm.
Yeah? Okay. Fine. Now I'll go to the next. Two equal chords AB and CD of a circle with center O intersect each other at point P inside the circle. Prove that AP is equals to CP and BP is equals to DP. Yeah, can you try this question by yourself? Try it on your own. How you'll prove it? Fine, see over here how to prove it. I'll explain you in short if even if you have done it. See what you have to prove that is AP is equals to CP, right? So what we can write over here, draw a construction in this where this line should be perpendicular to this, and there is one more line which is perpendicular to this. Okay, so if this line is perpendicular and this line is also perpendicular, what do we know? If I have drawn this two lengths as perpendicular, right? So I will have to prove that if this is OCDE and this is F, I will have to prove that triangle OEP is congruent to triangle OFP. How I will prove that the two triangles are congruent? Can any one of you tell? Give me the three conditions which are equal. Also the reason. You need to prove that the two triangles are congruent. Once you prove it, everything will be easy. How you will prove? Anyone? Ashutosh is,
Sir,
yeah.
Sir,
E is equal to OF because 90 degree.
What?
OE is equal to OF.
Okay, why if it is 90 days?
OFP. OFP is equal to OEP.
Okay, that both are 90-degree. That is one. Next.
Then sir, OP is equal to OP because common side.
common side.
Yeah, okay.
And sir, when we bisect it because of equal chords, then sir, both EP and PF are equal. So sir, SAS,
EP and
PF are
how?
equal because वो
Sir, sorry, continue.
No.
सर
Sorry,
you only told ना वो जब भी निकलता है a line when it comes from the center and it hits a chord
It
वो
bisects the chord.
that needs to be
हाँ by
perpendicular. So that's a chord.
Yeah. So what all things you need, we can say that they are equal is, see, first of all, the two chords are equal. They have already mentioned it. Since the two chords are equal, the two chords will be at equal distance from the center. Yeah. So the reason is OE is equals to OF. Why? Equal chords are at equal distance from the center. This is the reason. Okay. The second one is angle, that is 90-degree. The 90-degree angle, that is angle OEP is equal to angle OFP. Why? The each 90. Okay. And the other one is OP equals OP. Why? The common. Therefore, you can say that the two triangles are congruent by which test?
So can you explain
SAS
OE is
Sir,
equal to OF again?
SAS
Yeah. Ashutosh,
SAS
do not shout in the class. Your voice is coming too high. Please speak in a less volume. Do not shout. It's coming too high because even my ears are hurting. Okay?
SAS? No, sir, what has he written?
side
yes,
angle
yes.
side
SAS नहीं.
S- SAS. It's SAS. By SAS test. Okay? Now, yeah, what you are asking, Arushi?
Sir, can you explain OE is equal to OF again?
See, if two chords are equal, they have given that AB and CD are two chords which are equal chords. If two chords are equal, the two chords will be at equal distance from the center. Equal chords are at equal distance from the center. That's the theorem you have already learned. That's why OE will be equal to OF. That is the distance of the chord, no, from the center. Got it? Therefore, the two triangles are congruent. Once you prove that the two triangles are congruent, then what you can say? That is EP is equals to PF by CPCT. Now, if EP is equals to PF by CPCT, now what do you need to prove in this? Yeah, I know that AF is equals to CE. See, I know this. AB is equals to, uh, I know that AB is equals to CD given. Yeah. From this, if I say take half on both the sides, that is half of AB will be equal to half of CD. Yeah. So half of AB will be equal to half of CD. Yeah. So if it is half of AB will be AF and half of CD will be CE. Yeah. We also know that EP is equals to PF, or you can say AF is equals to CE. We know it, right? We have just got it. We also know that PF is equals to EP, proved above. Yeah. So if I subtract both of them, AF minus PF will be equal to CE minus EP minus EP. So AF minus PF will be how much? AP, and CE minus EP will be CP. So that's it. Proved one. The first one has been proved. AP is equals to CP. Got it?
Yes.
Yeah. The next one is you need to prove that BP is equals to DP. Now what you need to prove? DP is equals to CP. DP is equals to, yeah, DP is equals to BP we need to prove. Again the same thing. We are, we know that DP, sorry, DE is equals to BF. They are also the half of chords. Again, AB is equals to CD, so half of AB, or you can also say we got that AP is equals to, yeah, we got this, no, AP is equals to CD. I know that AB is equals to CD. If I subtract this, AB minus AP will be equal to CD minus CP. What is AB minus AP? BP. And what is CD minus CP? That is DP. That's it, done. Proved the second one also. Got it? Is this clear?
Sir. Sir,
Yes,
this
sir.
sum will be for how much marks?
This sum will be for how much marks? If it comes, it should be for 4 marks.
Sir, because so much we'll do and only for 2-3 marks this will come,
No,
then
it
what
will
is the
not come.
faida?
No fine. They will give you faida. They will give you. But it will be in the lengthy sums only. Okay. The next. Now, what you have in this, in the following figure, OABC is a square. A circle is drawn with center O as center which meets OC at P and OA at Q. Prove that triangle OPA, that is this triangle OPA is congruent to triangle OQC. You need to prove this. How you'll prove? How we can prove that the two triangles are congruent? What they have given in the data in the following figure, OABC is a square. OABC is a square they have given, and a circle is drawn with center O as a center which meets OC at P and OA at Q. Then you have to prove that. Fine. How we can prove that the two triangles are congruent? Fine. What we will do in triangle OPA and triangle OQC. What are things we know? Angle POA is equal to angle QOC. Why? Common. Yes or no? Common and 90 degree. Yeah. We'll write common only, not 90 degree. Because they both are common in this. After that, OA is equals to OC. What will be the reason? Because OABC is a square.
Side, sides of a square we can write.
Yeah, side of square.
Huh.
Yeah. After that, which other thing is equal? I can also write OP is equals to OQ. What will be the reason?
Sir, OP, OQ, radius of a circle.
Yeah, radius of same circle. Radius of same circle. Therefore, what we can say that triangle OPA is congruent to triangle OQC. By which test?
For SAS.
Yeah, by
SAS.
SAS, Ashutosh.
SAS.
Okay, by SAS test. Clear? Now you have to prove that triangle BPC is congruent to triangle BQC. Yeah, tell me how you can prove this. What they are saying? Triangle BPC is equal to triangle BQC. Yeah, how we can say that the two triangles are similar, congruent? In triangle
Sir,
BC.
can I say?
Yeah, please tell.
Sir,
Please do not
AQ
shout.
is equal to,
Please keep your voice low. Do not shout.
sir.
Yeah.
Sir, AB is equal to BC because sides of a square.
Okay. Fine.
Then, sir, angle A is equal to angle C,
Why?
90 degree, 90.
Yeah. Then
Then, sir, wo, radius of a circle both are same. So, sir, and sir, I'm not able to explain, but
OP
CP
is
is equal
equal
to
to
OQ.
OQ.
yeah, OC is
Right?
equals to OA. Since we know that OC is equals to OA, side of a square, and OP is equals to
हाँ
OQ, side of a
हाँ
radius,
हाँ,
right? If I subtract both of
radius
them,
of
Substitute.
the
OC
yes.
minus OP should be
Then sir,
equal to
CP is
OA
equal
minus
to
OQ,
AQ.
right? OC minus OP is
Then
CP,
sir, task test.
and this is QA. So this is side angle side. Yeah, by SAS test, you can say that the two triangles are congruent. Clear? The next, the length of common chords of two intersecting circle is 30 centimeter. If the diameter of these circles be 50 and 34, calculate the distance between their centers. Yeah, what they have given? The length of common chord of two intersecting circle is 30 if the diameter of these two circles are 50 and 34. They have given the diameter of two circles. What they have given? The diameter of two circles. No, so let's draw two circles. What they have given? The length of common chord of two intersecting circle is 30 centimeter. If the diameter of these two circle is 50 and 34. Fine. If suppose these are the centers of the two circle, okay, and they have given the distance, they have asked what will be the, they have given this chord length. We need to find this length. If I draw this and this, okay. So what is this length? 25. And what is this length? 17. Okay. Yes or no? The two circles intersecting.
Yes.
And if the length of the common chord of the two intersecting circle is 30, this total is 30, so this will be 13. Sorry, 15. What they are asking? If the calculate the distance between their centers. The distance between their centers, you can directly apply this right angle also, but we can do it in this way also. Wait, but if the common chord is not given, yeah, no, we cannot do it in that way. Yeah, so what we will do, if this is 15, no, so we can find what is this using Pythagoras. Yeah, we can find OA using Pythagoras, and then O dash A
Yes.
using Pythagoras again. So whatever the distance
Sir,
between the
Both
centers,
using Python.
yeah, yeah, Ashutosh,
sir, so in triangle, sir, so we need to name ना वो ऊपर का.
yeah, you can name it B,
हाँ, so sir, in triangle BOA,
yeah,
by Pythagoras theorem,
yeah,
625 minus 15 is equal to OA square.
625 minus 225 is equals to OA square.
हाँ,
Yeah,
minus
and then
220.
you can solve it. You'll get, I think you'll get 20 over there. Okay, and similarly you'll get the value of AO dash also, and then you join, add both of them, you'll get the value of
Sir,
OA
I
dash.
think AO is 8 because 289 minus 225 is 64.
Okay, the line joining the midpoint of two chords of a circle passes through its center. Prove that the chords are parallel. Yeah, draw the diagram for this by yourself. Now, what is given in the question? The line joining the midpoint of two chords of a circle passes through its center. prove that the chords are parallel. That means if I draw a circle over here, what they are saying, the line joining the midpoint of two chords of a circle passes through its center. Prove that the chords are parallel. That means if I draw two chords like this, suppose this is one chord and this is the other chord.
Sir, and one line will pass through it.
Yeah, and they are saying that the line joining the
Through.
midpoints of the two chords of a circle passes through its center. But if I join this, this does not pass through the center. So what I have to do, I cannot draw the chord like this. I will have to draw
Sir,
the
we
chord
can
like,
draw parallel, no, to that, the first
yeah,
one.
we have to prove it. That's why I'm, yeah. So it was given that the other chord is also means the center of the other chord is also in line with the center. That means if this is the other chord and if I draw the line which is passing through the midpoint of the two chords and also through the center of the chord will be this line which will pass through the center also. Whenever they ask you to prove that the chords are parallel, so draw them parallel. Then you have to prove you have to the two chords are parallel. Okay, so the line joining the midpoints of two chords of a circle passing through its center prove that the two chords are parallel. Now how you can prove that the two chords are parallel? See, these are the midpoints of the chord. See, what we can say, if I say this is A, B, C, D, M and N, can I say since OM is perpendicular to AB, sorry, since AM is equals to MB, therefore OM is perpendicular to AB. Why?
Sir, OM is perpendicular. Sir, because any line drawn from the center bisects. uh, So, sir,
Yeah,
it is perpendicular.
yeah. Line drawn to the center of the chord from the center of the circle bisects the chord and also perpendicular to the chord. Yeah, so that's why. Similarly, ON will be perpendicular to CD. Same reason.
Sir, so for both of that, we can give the same reason, no?
Yeah,
Means once only.
yeah, you
Mm.
can write. Yeah, so ON
Sir.
is perpendicular to CD. Uh, so that's it. If therefore, that means what? Therefore, MN is perpendicular. Since OMN are in the same line, therefore MN is perpendicular to AB and CD. Therefore, AB is parallel to CD. If a line is perpendicular to both the lines, those both the lines will be parallel, no? If a single line is parallel to two lines, perpendicular to two lines, that means these two lines will be parallel. Got it? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
The
Yes,
next,
sir.
the next is yeah, which one we have done? Eighth one we have done. Now the next is ninth. In the following figure, the line ABCD is perpendicular to PQ. ABCD is perpendicular to PQ. That means this is perpendicular. Okay, where P and Q are the center of the circle. Okay, show that AB is equals to CD. How you'll show?
Sir, what AB is equal to CD?
Yeah.
Sir, OA, if we take the middle point, nahin, nothing.
See what we can do in this. If I join this two line and this two, what I know, what I have to prove, AB is equals to CD, right? It is the same kind of proof again. See, I know that um, since PQ is perpendicular, so can I say if this is any other point that is, let's say M, I know that AM is equals to MD, yes or no? Also, I know that BM is equals to CM.
Sir,
Again, perpendicular.
where have you
Again,
marked them?
again, you are shouting, Ashutosh.
Sorry, where have you marked them?
This is over here.
अच्छा,
Yeah. So BM is equals to CM, right? So if BM is equals to CM, if I subtract both of them, AM minus BM will be equal to MD minus CM. Why they are equal? Because the same thing, the same reason. What? Perpendicular to the chord bisects the chord. That's why. Yeah. So AM minus BM will be how much? AB. And MD minus CM will be CD. That's it. The first one is proved. Clear? And then you have to prove AC is equals to BD. If I add BC on both of them, AB plus BC, and this is CD plus BC. AB plus BC is how much? AC,
Yes.
and CD plus BC. CD plus BC is how much? BD. The next one is also
Sir,
proved.
how CD plus हाँ नहीं बराबर correct.
Correct? Thank you.
Yes.
Yeah, that's it. So AC is equals to BD. You can prove this also. Yeah. The last one now. AB and CD are two equal chords of a circle with center O which intersect each other at right angle at P, and OM is perpendicular to AB and ON is perpendicular to CD. Show that OMPD is a square. Now the diagram is not given in this case. We have to draw the diagram. Okay, fine. Over here, AB and CD are two equal chords of a circle with center O which intersect each other at right angles at point P. Means they are intersecting at right angles. That means if one chord is like this, the other chord is equal and it is at right angle to it. Okay, these two chords are equal. This is AB, one of them is AB and the other one is CD. Fine, after that what they are saying, intersecting each other at right angle at P. So this point is P. If OM, O will be the center of the circle, OM is perpendicular to AB and ON is perpendicular to CD. Show that OMPN is a square. You have to show that this is a square. Now how we can show? See, it's very easy. Uh, since
Sir, O
AB is equals to CD, given,
yes.
so therefore OM will be equal to ON. Why? What will be the reason? What will be the reason? Equal chords are at equal distance from the center. Equal chords are at equal distance from the center. Fine. Equal chords are at equal
Yes.
distance from the center. OM is equals to ON. Now what is the next? What next do you have? They have also given that this is also right angle. Since the two chords are at meeting at right angle, this is also right angle and this is also right angle. So the third one also has to be a right angle. Yeah.
Sir, angle OMPN and all will be हाँ 90 degree, no?
Yeah, because they are 90-degree only. Because they are the distance of the chord from the center of the circle. Yeah, they will have to be, and this was already 90 degrees, so this the third one is also 90. And if all of them are 90 and the adjacent two sides are equal, then the quadrilateral is a square. Got it? If all of them
Yes.
are 90-degree, we can see that the quadrilateral is a rectangle. If the adjacent sides are equal, then we can say that the quadrilateral is a square. Therefore what we can say, therefore quadrilateral OMPN is a
Square.
square. Did you understood, everyone?
Yes, sir. Sir,
Yeah.
only this much we have to write.
Yeah. No, not this much. We have to write. Not this much. I have written in short.
Uh,
You have to write in.
sir means
Yeah. I have
everything
explained.
90 degree and
Yeah, yeah. You have to write everything. See, you have to write this also. I'll show it to you. See, OM is equals to ON. Fine. This we have written. Now, angle OMP is equal to angle ONP is equals to 90-degree. Right? And angle
yes.
NPM is also equals to 90-degree. Therefore, what we can say? Therefore, quadrilateral OMPN is a rectangle? First we will see that it's a rectangle. After that the adjacent sides are equal. But OM is equals to ON, that is adjacent sides are equal. That is what? Adjacent sides are equal. Therefore what we can say? Therefore quadrilateral OMPN, quadrilateral OMPN is what? Is a square. Got it now how to write?
Yes,
Yeah?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah? Okay. So over here we are done with this exercise, and now we have to start with the next exercise, that is arc and chord properties, but that we will start in the next class. Okay? Chalo then. Bye for today. Good night.
Thank you, sir.